Hello, gentlemen. I'm Dr. Isabella Romano. Let's cut right to the chase. There's a silent frustration growing among millions of men over 60, a topic whispered about in private, but rarely addressed with the power and clarity it deserves. I'm talking about that feeling when your body no longer feels like your own, when your confidence and youthful vigor seem like a distant memory. For too long, you've been told this is just an inevitable part of getting older. But what if that's not the whole truth? What if the solution isn't just about a pill, but about unlocking a powerful, natural mechanism already dormant within you? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on a game-changing biological secret. It starts with a simple garlic clove, but its true power is only unleashed when combined with one specific everyday partner. This isn't a myth, this is science, and it has the power to not just change your nights, but to revitalize your entire life. Part 1. It's not just about that part. It's about your entire system. First, we must fundamentally shift our understanding of the problem. Erectile dysfunction is not a localized failure. It is one of the most powerful early warning signs your body can give you. Think of it as the check engine light on your car's dashboard. It's not the light that's the problem, it's a signal of a deeper issue. In this case, the issue is almost always your cardiovascular system, specifically your blood flow. Your body is a magnificent network of over 60,000 miles of blood vessels, a vast system of highways and side roads. An erection is a complex event that requires a massive, rapid surge of blood to be diverted down very specific pathways. When you're young, these highways are wide, flexible, and clear. But as we age, factors like cholesterol, high blood pressure, and inflammation can cause these highways to become narrow, stiff, and congested. It becomes a plumbing problem. The flow of traffic slows down, and the delivery system falters. This is why I tell my patients that ED is often the canary in the coal mine for heart health. It can be a sign of atherosclerosis or hardening of the arteries years before a more serious event, like a heart attack or stroke occurs. Seeing it this way is incredibly empowering because it means we can address the root cause, not just the symptom. We can work on clearing the highways, not just forcing a few cars through a traffic jam. Part 2. The mighty power of garlic, more than just a flavor. And this is where our first hero, garlic, enters the stage. This humble bulb is a medicinal powerhouse that has been used for millennia, and modern science is finally catching up to why. The true magic of garlic lies in a sulfur compound called allicin. Interestingly, allicin doesn't exist in a whole, intact garlic clove. It is only formed when the garlic's cell walls are broken through crushing, chopping, or chewing. This damage triggers a chemical reaction, releasing the allicin. Once in your body, allicin stimulates the production of a crucial molecule called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the master regulator of your blood vessels. It's a potent vasodilator, which is the scientific term for a substance that tells the smooth muscles lining your arteries to relax and widen. When those muscles relax, the highway opens up. Blood flow increases dramatically, pressure goes down, and circulation improves to every single part of your body, from your brain to your heart. And yes, to where it's needed for intimacy. It's a beautiful natural process. But there's a significant catch. Nitric oxide is an extremely fragile and short-lived molecule. It does its job and then degrades very quickly. It's like a brilliant flash of lightning, powerful, but gone in an instant. For garlic's benefits to be truly felt, that precious nitric oxide needs a protector, a bodyguard to keep it active and working for longer. Part 3. The game-changer garlic's essential partner, the guardian of NO. This brings us to the big reveal, the secret partner that elevates garlic from a healthy food to a therapeutic powerhouse. That partner is vitamin C. I know it sounds almost too simple to be true, but the synergy between these two is scientifically profound. While garlic is busy stimulating the production of nitric oxide, vitamin C plays the role of its guardian angel. Our bodies are constantly under attack from oxidative stress, caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. You can think of these free radicals as molecular rust, causing damage and inflammation throughout your circulatory system. One of their favorite targets is nitric oxide. They love to neutralize it, extinguishing its flame before it can fully do its job. Vitamin C is one of the most powerful antioxidants on the planet. It swoops in and neutralizes these free radicals, effectively shielding the nitric oxide molecules from harm. This protection allows NO to survive longer, work more effectively, turning and exert its powerful vasodilating effects for a more sustained period. Garlic provides the spark, and vitamin C protects the flame, turning a fleeting flicker into a steady, reliable fire. Together, they are exponentially more powerful than either one alone. But to truly harness this power, you must avoid 3 common mistakes that can completely sabotage your efforts. Mistake number 1, using the wrong form of garlic. That convenient garlic powder in your spice rack or the pre-minced garlic in a jar will not work for this purpose. The powerful compound allicin is highly volatile and degrades quickly. For maximum benefit, you must use fresh, raw garlic cloves that you crush or chop yourself, and you should let them sit for about 10 minutes before cooking to allow the allicin to fully form. Mistake number 2, destroying the vitamin C. Vitamin C is very sensitive to heat. If you boil or overcook your vitamin C-rich vegetables like bell peppers or broccoli, you can lose a significant portion of their potency. So, aim to lightly steam, sauté, or even eat them raw to get the full antioxidant benefit. A fresh squeeze of lemon juice over your meal after cooking is a fantastic way to add a potent, heat-free dose of vitamin C. Mistake number 3, expecting an overnight miracle. This is not a pharmaceutical drug. This is a foundational, biological process you are supporting. It takes time and consistency to repair and improve your circulatory health. You need to make this a daily habit. Don't try it for 2 days and give up. Commit to this powerful duo for at least a few weeks to begin seeing and feeling the difference. Part 4, Beyond the Duo, Supercharging Your Blood Flow Ecosystem. Now, while the garlic and vitamin C combination is your core strategy, you can build a powerful alliance of other foods to supercharge your results. Think of these as the supporting cast that makes the heroes even stronger. First, we have L-citrulline, which I call the raw fuel for nitric oxide production. This amino acid is converted in your body into L-arginine, the direct building block for NO. The undisputed champion source of L-citrulline is watermelon. A few generous slices of watermelon each week can provide your body with the essential fuel it needs. Next are the flavonoids, the vessel protectors. These are potent compounds found in foods like dark chocolate 70% cacao or higher, all kinds of berries, and green tea. They not only support NO production, but also protect the delicate inner lining of your blood vessels, known as the endothelium, from damage. A healthy endothelium is crucial for efficient NO production. Finally, we have omega-3 fatty acids, the inflammation fighters, found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in flax seeds and walnuts. Omega-3s are critical for reducing systemic inflammation, which is a major enemy of healthy blood vessels. They help keep your arteries flexible and plaque-free. Part 5, Your Path to Renewed Confidence and Vitality. So, let's put it all together into a simple, actionable plan. Your mission is to reclaim your vitality, and this is your playbook. It's not about deprivation. It's about strategic, delicious additions to your life. Your new daily habit is to combine fresh, crushed garlic with a potent source of vitamin C in at least 1 or 2 of your meals. This could be a morning scramble with garlic and red bell peppers, a lunchtime salad with a lemon garlic dressing, or a dinner of fish marinated in garlic and orange juice. Then, throughout the week, you will strategically bring in the allies. Enjoy watermelon as a refreshing snack. Indulge in a small square of high-quality dark chocolate for dessert. Add berries to your yogurt or oatmeal. Aim to have fatty fish twice a week. And underpinning all of this is the foundation of health. Stay hydrated with plenty of water to ensure good blood volume and get moving. A simple daily walk does more for your circulation than you can possibly imagine. This comprehensive approach is about so much more than erectile function. It is about restoring energy, protecting your heart from serious disease, improving your mental clarity, and feeling strong, confident, and capable in every aspect of your life. The power to revitalize your health is not in some far-off laboratory. It is right there, waiting for you in your kitchen. Thank you for joining me for this important conversation. If you found this information valuable and empowering, please share it with other men who deserve to hear this message. Your journey to renewed vitality starts today with one simple, powerful choice. I'm Dr. Isabella Romano. Here's to your health and your power.